Welcome to Wall Street Confidential, the show we give you the inside scoop as to what's really happening on Wall Street. I'm Greg Greenberg, here with Jim Cramer. Jim, Apple had blowout numbers, stocks up to about 100, but the market's still flat. Why can't it lift up the tech? Why can't it lift up the Nas?
Well, first, I think that there's always been, through every run that I've ever been, the 1,500 to 3,000 run, the 3,000 to 5,000 run that happened after 1991. They've always been accompanied by a very similar situation, which is that you have these dramatic moves and then you have stagnation, not big pullback. I think that the reason why there's no follow-through from Apple in particular is that tech isn't in a bull market mode, and I regard Apple as very much of a fashion show stock, meaning that it's a trend stock and not necessarily linked to PC users. But to lump this all in, the actual market is doing exactly what it would do in a roaring bull market, which is not be down 150 points. Apple, S&P name, the S&P is really a source of gravity here as it is a source of propulsion, is keeping Apple down.
Okay, so we shouldn't worry about that.
Not at
now,
all.
What about Monster worldwide? It's down 3.3%, 30 versus 33 cent estimate.
This is just a takeover.
A lot of people see that as a barometer of, well, you're not getting a lot of job offers out there. Is
domestic market.
Slowdown?
I mean, one of the things that we all have to hope for, we bulls, is that the Federal Reserve recognizes that anything that is more than 70% domestic has done quite poorly this quarter, and that really is that's the cutting. That's the cutoff. When you look at companies that have not participated in this rally, it's because they're domestic. Monster offers a way out for Gannett, which is why I've been saying that you have to own Monster.
Monster also said that internet ad spending was a little bit slower for them. Does that have any repercussions with Google and Yahoo?
New York Times saw the same thing. I would tell you that Google
just spent
is
a lot
the
on
winner.
that double click.
Well, Google's the winner on any one of these declines. The reason why it's bad for everyone else is Google offers more value.
All right. Jim Cramer, Greg Greenberg on a flat day despite Apple, and that's Wall Street Confidential.